Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're just showing you a cheap old truck here. There you can see the hood got bent at one time. It's got a few dings and dents, but it runs good, 460. People just did a transmission on it before we bought it. See, they cracked the windshield and something fell on it right there. Interior's in pretty good shape. This piece of trim's gone off the seat, but otherwise not too bad. Inside looks pretty good. Most everything works. See, it isn't real rusty. Got some rock chips. Got a ball in the back. Bed's not in too bad a shape. Bumper's kind of in tough shape. Just like I said, just an old farm truck. A little rust over the wheel there. So if you're looking for a cheap truck, it seems to run and drive pretty good. 4-wheel drive works, and that's pretty important right now. As you can see the snow on the ground. 605-692-7010.